Hi nail friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this beautiful dip powder nail design using Cherael nail dip powders. If you're new to my channel, I'm Cheraelsymone, bringing you the best tips and tricks for making your nails look beautiful and fabulously done at home. For more content just like this, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell so you won't miss any of my videos. The products I'll be using today are Cherael Nail Orange and Nude Dip Powder known as Athena and Ensemble, and Pro Dip Clear Dip Powder. I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm just applying Cherael Sky Bond to dehydrate my nails. Now I apply 2 layers of clear dip powder to my nails. So I apply base to 3/4 of the nail and then I dip it into Pro Dip Clear Dip Powder. Then I apply base to the whole nail and then I dip it into Pro Dip Clear Dip Powder. This is done to build the nails and also to protect my natural nails from the color. This is also an optional step, but I like doing it. Now I apply some activator to my index and ring finger because those are going to be my clear nails, and then I wait for them to dry. Now starting on the pinky nail, I apply base to the whole nail and then I dip it into the Ensemble dip powder. I did 3 layers but I only showed 2 layers. Now on the ring finger I applied base and then I placed 2 dried flowers on my nails. Then, using base again, I applied some iridescent glitter on the nail as well. I also placed some craft store orange glitter on the nail also. If you're getting value from this video, hit the like button below and comment your thoughts on the design as well. And don't forget to subscribe to get the best tips and tricks for beautiful and fabulous nail designs at home. On the middle finger, I apply base to the whole nail and then I dip it into the Ensemble dip powder. Then I apply base again and I'll be doing an ombre on this nail, so I sprinkled the orange dip powder on my nails and then I sprinkled the Ensemble dip powder. I did 3 layers of the ombre but I only showed 2 layers. Now on the index finger, I apply base to the whole nail and then I placed some iridescent glitter on the nail. In a container, I applied 4 scoops of clear dip powder and 1 scoop of orange dip powder. I wanted to create a translucent orange color so that the glitter could be seen through the orange color. Then I applied base to the whole nail and then I sprinkled the orange mixture on my nail. I did 2 or 3 layers, but I only showed 1, and I applied activator in between layers so that the nail wouldn't create any bubbles. Please ensure that after you apply your activator, you wait a while before applying your second or third layer of base, because when base gets into contact with activator, it hardens the brush. And I didn't wait long enough and it did harden my brush. I would recommend that you apply 1 or 2 layers of the orange mixture. A third one wasn't really necessary, but I still did it. Now on the thumb, I did 3 layers of the orange dip powder. Then I encapsulated the nails with some Pro Dip Clear Dip powder. I did a few layers to build the nail, but I only showed 1 layer. On the clear nails, I did apply activator in between layers. Then I applied activator, waited a while, then began filing. So this is after filing of the nails. Now I have a choice as to whether I want to apply dip powder top coat or gel top coat, and I chose gel top coat. So I'll be using my Model 1's glue gel on my pinky and middle finger. Then I applied some of my Model 1's top coat. and then I applied some cuticle crystals to my nails. Then I top coated the rest of the nails and I cured for 30 seconds. I also applied some top coat on the underside of the clear nails as well. When the nails cooled down, I applied some cuticle oil. So if you like this video, you're gonna wanna check out my other videos on the powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!